makokontrol ba nila yun? Hindi naman nila makokontrol.
Kami nakakontrol eh.
I'm just gonna shake, shake, shake it off, shake it off. Feels gonna break, 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 break. Feels gonna break, 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 break. And I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off, shake it off.
Wala nang gas.
Ano ba yan?
Wala nang gas.
Lighter ba yan?
Hindi.
Puro ilong.
That's what they know. But I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my heart, and it's gonna be alright. Tumatawid yung daga.
Saan? Saan? Ay, hindi ko nakita.
Shake, 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 shake.
Ay, oo.
Good citizen.
Tumawid talaga na taga. Oo, hindi mo nakita. Nandun lang.
Nakita ko tumawid yung daga.
Na-capture ko ba yan si Pete?
Stop na eh.
Tumawid.
Stop eh.
Mali siya, hindi to pedestrian.
Good citizen.
Hindi to rat sing. Yung jackpot ni Daddy. Mag-check-in na tayo sa favorite place on earth ni Daddy.
Casino.
Mag-check-in ng late. Pearl Wing. Wala ba kami? Dito na lang.
My ex-member's new girlfriend, just like, oh my god, I'm just gonna shake it to the fire over there when I have a good head. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah, oh, the next gonna play, 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 play. Hey, la la la, hey. I'm just gonna shake, shake, shake.
Nagkumayan pa si Kuya.
Kilala mo si
Ika na
Dad.
ng
Asan yung aso?
vlog eh.
Tulog! Huwag ka magtalaro-laro ng baril-baril dito.
Akala yan tulog.
Shake, shake, shake.
Kumagi tayo sa camera. Akala
Shake
tulog.
it off.
Abangan
Shake it
tayo.
off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off.
Pearl Wing. Pearl.
Meron pa bang light show? Wala na. Pwede na yun. Shake it off. Shake it off. O baba na, Karel. Kuha ka ng plant. Ikaw!
Karel.
Dito na lang nagagawa shampoo nila.
Ito
No?
yun, oh.
Shampoo ni Lola.
Nagbibintang naman. Lo, pag yung pagkain natin mapangit.
Meron tayong free room.
Ano yung ito?
Oo.
Free table.
Ah,
Free table. Wala.
Dalawa pa, anak.
Ano gusto mo dyan?
Sa metal, isa.
sa wood.
Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I look to you as a friend, and I know you're in my way. Traded my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, and now you're in my way. Your stare is holding, ripped jeans, skin is showing hot, and I when I think you're going, baby. Hey, I just met you.
Kaya na, papagana na.
Crazy.
Sali ka na rin sa kanila. Okay lang naman yun.
So call me maybe. And I look back.
Gusto na makisabay ng kanta eh. Baka lang kasi makurot ni Ma.